Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Amid COVID-19 pandemic, mission SSLV resumes at ISRO rocket launch station. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO rocket launch station at Sriharikota has resumed work partially to carry out critical and essential activities related to the ambitious Small Satellite Launch Vehicle SSLV project. Two key facilities, the Solid Propellant Plant SSPP and Solid Propellant Rocket Booster Plant SPROB, have opened for limited operations 10 days after they were shut down. Telangana citizens can now flag air pollution via TSAIR app. To combat pollution in the state, the Telangana Pollution Control Board (TSPCB) launched the TSAIR app to empower citizens to complain against dumping or burning of garbage in the open and polluting vehicles. Through the app, which was launched by the Forest and Environment Minister A. Indrakaran Reddy on Monday, citizens can now send photographs of any activity which directly causes air pollution. Andhra Pradesh COVID-19 tally reaches 3.71 lakh, 9,927 new COVID-19 cases, 9,419 recoveries, and 92 deaths reported in Andhra Pradesh today. Total number of cases rises to 3,71,639, including 2,78,247 recoveries and 3,460 deaths. 89,932 cases are active, says State Health Department. Telangana State Assembly Council sessions to be held with COVID-19 norms, says Guta. State Legislative Council Chairman Guta Sukender Reddy on Tuesday said the monsoon session of Telangana State Legislative Council, scheduled to be held from September 7, would be conducted with all the COVID-19 norms in the place. Speaking at a media conference in his camp office here, Sukender Reddy said that seating of members would be arranged in the council hall in a manner that would ensure physical distancing. All the seats would be sanitized. Nellore's famous Roti Exchange Festival not to be celebrated this year over COVID-19 fears. The famous Rotilla Pandiga, or the exchange of wish rotis, which is a decades-old practice held on the banks of Swarnala Tank, is the premises of Barasha Sheet Dargah, will not be held this year due to coronavirus pandemic. The Nellore district administration decided to cancel the exchanging of rotis in the premises of the Dargah as part of preventive measures against COVID-19. Jagan unveils roadmap to tackle corruption. Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy revealed the government's intention to invite reverse tenders in all sectors wherever the tender amount exceeds rupees 1 crore, or to fix a timeline for completing the trial in corruption cases by bringing about a legislation for it on the lines of the Disha Act. At a high-level review meeting on corruption cases, where a team of IIM Ahmedabad, led by Sundravalli Narayan Swamy, submitted its report on good governance, Mr. Jaganmohan Reddy said corruption should be tackled at the top level and it should percolate down. Development works will go unhindered despite financial crunch, Yediyurappa. Admitting that COVID-19 pandemic has worsened the financial condition of the state government, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa asserted that though we are reeling under financial difficulties, we will ensure that no development works are hindered. We will take loans to continue the works across the state. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.